Hi guys, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you run into my voice, I am Fergie. Welcome, please like and subscribe, and to all my FK gang, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be making some mini cornbread loaf, and these are some sweet dinner loaf. And here's my ingredients for today, guys. I'm gonna be using milk. This is my milk powder, eggs, cornmeal, sugar to make it yummy and sweet, self-rising flour, coconut oil, and butter. So guys, that's all my ingredients for today. That's the butter. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, so this is my self-rising flour. And guys, I'm going to put the ingredients in description so you can know the exact measurement. Just had my sugar. I'm gonna add my cornmeal. So now I'm gonna combine all my wet ingredients. Lightly beat your eggs. My oil. I'm gonna add my milk, my butter, so guys, now I'm going to combine my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients. Greasing my loaf can. Okay guys, with your oven set preset at 350, I'm gonna put these in now for 18 to 20 minutes, just until you put your toothpick through your little corn muffins and it comes out nice and clear. Okay guys, here's my sweet cornbread dinner loaves. They are delicious. Come on, who doesn't like cornbread, right? I hope you guys enjoy, and remember to check the description box below for the ingredients. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye bye.